Yeah, I've got you out there. 488 Tampa Bay, Florida. 488 number 2 002. Good morning. Thank you, Tampa Bay, Florida. 488 002, number 2, Central Scotland. Good morning. Yeah, it's busy out there, my friend. Did hear you in there. Number 2, 002. Number 2, Central Scotland. Good morning.
George, a quick frequency check, buddy. How are you getting as far as bang on goes?
Bang on. How is that? Bang on, buddy.
Thank you, George. All the best.
Check the video and you'll see. Check the video. It's on now, mate. It's online. You're live on air, Billy. You're live on my station. You're live on air. I've got you live 20 over. You can check out your signal, your audio on my live video gate. All the best, buddy.
Yeah, good man, George. I like to hear that. I don't really like it sound on voice, hence the reason why I'm no karaoke king, but I appreciate that, George. That's good, man. I'll have a wee listen to it. I'll get in contact with you. Maybe I'm sure I've got your. I'm sure I'm subscribed to your YouTube place anyway. So I'll have a wee swatch of that later on, George, when you go to Upper, okay?
Roger, deal. I'll just tag it under Billy's audio check. Alright, Billy, so you can just go and check it out, mate.
Aye, nice, George. I like that. I like that very much. I don't really know how that sounds. I get good reports on after this with Static and the Jackson, but it's always nice to hear first hand, you know. Right, George, have yourself a good day, buddy, and busy.
Thank you, Billy. Not a problem, mate. Not a problem.